Obviously, 2018, it's been a very great year for me. Starting with the World Juniors, which was held in India this year, I got to captain the Indian team, the Indian under 19 team, and we finished in the top 10. And I was the youngest captain over there, so that was a big honor for me, representing India at the World Junior Championship as a captain. Then I won the Indian Junior Open for a record of fourth time, this time under 19. And also my last tournament for the season was the Asian Junior Team Championship, which I just returned from today. I returned from Pattaya, Thailand, and it was obviously a very good event. We won the silver medal. Obviously, I'm very thankful to GoSports Foundation for selecting me as one of their athletes in the program of Stars of Tomorrow, where they have selected 13 top athletes from different sports, and I'm very privileged to be one of them. And I'm already started getting guidance from Rahul Dravid, Gopi Chand, Abhinav Bindra, John Gloucester, Gaurav, and many other sports personalities. They have it is playing a very crucial role in my life, as they are giving me nutrition, physiotherapy support. Then they have provided me with a nutritionist, which was lacking in my profile, and I feel this is going to play a very important role. And I've already started feeling the changes in my game, and now I can play even freely.
Not at all. For last 10 years, Yash is traveling abroad. He's playing for the country. Last 2 years, he's playing World Juniors. This year, he's playing for the Asian Juniors. But as far as government is concerned, not a single rupee. In fact, they have to last school games 3 years back. They were supposed to pay me 5,300, and that also I have not taken, because they made me to dance from Vasco to Panjim. That's it. I don't expect anything. Now I have to spend, and I have to take care of my child. And I will request all the parents, if at all you want to bring your children, don't expect anything from the government. And if you depend on the government, nothing is going to happen.